So this was a gift from the boss man at work. This little screwdriver. Well, a late Christmas gift, really. Let's open it up and check it out. There it is. A little Makita screwdriver.
And Scotland, that is very much... Well, maybe we should have a second referendum on that. No, because you agree with it. Because you agree with it. There's no great groundswell of opinion for another referendum. Indeed, even most of those who...
I would have got it for Christmas, but I wasn't in the last day, so I got it just today. I got it.
My own feeling is that you are pitching yourself as the effective leader
of the scalpel
campaign. Why are you doing that? I'm doing my job. I'm a parliamentarian, and the job of parliamentarians is to give frank advice in Parliament and in debates. I see it as my job. There's no more important issue facing the future of the country at the moment than whether we're in or out of the European Union. I have a duty to give my view. Somebody who's never been voted in on anything. You're an appointed member of the House of Lords. You've never been voted into elected office unless you correct me on that. I was one councillor. The most important councillor in the country.
There it is.
And I can assure you, the City of Oxford, it carries debates. But it's a bit rich, isn't it, for somebody who's unelected to lecture us about democracy? Hold on. Parliament has two houses, Commons and Lords. People like you, Ian, lecture us night and day about parliamentary sovereignty and how it's being wrenched out of our hands by these Brussels bureaucrats. You can't then go and say that somehow it's illegitimate for the House of Lords to offer its view. You don't believe that. I don't believe that at all. You're putting words into my mouth. So in that case, we're all of one mind, and we both agree that I have a perfect right to... Can you imagine that the House of Lords might reject the current Brexit bill? No. Not for a moment, nor do I think it would be reasonable for the House of Lords to do so. What I think the House of Lords could do, though, is to say
it's got some talk to it.
It's
quite powerful, actually.
Robert, hello, Robert.
More powerful than I thought.
Good evening, gentlemen. Mr. Dennis, are you at all worried that you're going to
What's that? Oh, that's a light. Look at that. That's quite handy.
On the streets in the future?
So you got a little button at the back there.
With thwarting Brexit. Is that something that you factor into your considerations? I mean, there's no point in having a debate with you about the clearly obvious logic that if you were to get the second meaningful vote,
oh, it's
Europeans are going to offer you a
it's like a micro USB.
Why would they offer you?
That's very handy there.
And that's why people go out to the street. You claim you can't see it.
That's the charger.
You're just seeking to sabotage
5 volts DC.
You talk very nicely.
1 amp.
All the words, you've got all the knowledge of how all the info. But on the outside, it just looks like someone who wants to just basically say to people, sorry, we're not going to listen to you. We're staying in the European Union, and you're going to start.
Yeah, micro USB is.
If you carry on.
Okay. Is that something that does worry you? I don't think that's fair. If you listen to what I said earlier,
that's the bits for it.
That parliamentarians
everything you need really is in there.
Move to Brexit because
nice.
Of the referendum that was held 18 months ago. I think the one which would be held in early 2019, in a year's time, would be on the actual deal that the Prime Minister has negotiated, and it's perfectly reasonable that people.
That's handy. That very handy.
But if people on your side of the debate think that some of us were too thick to vote in the original referendum, wouldn't we be?
So there's a charger. Just plug that in there.
May comes up with. I haven't said that at all yet. But most people on your side do say that. You're putting words into my mouth. I've never said anything of the kind. I entirely respect the right of the British people to make big decisions on their own account. I entirely respect the result 18 months ago. And 24 for Potters Bar. A mobile crane has broken down there, and that's causing delays. And if you're heading towards Eastham, the Barking Road remains closed off between Ron Mason Way and the High Street North Junction following a series of...
That's a bit stiff. I'll leave that there. Well, anyway, you got a few nut driver bits in there. The smallest one is a 5mm, and the biggest is a 10mm. And others in between that, I'm going to go through all of them. Got some Torx bits in there. Philips. But I can't see no posi drive bits now. Philips, but it's no posi drive. I mean long posi drive. Oh look, here they are. So the posi drive bits are there. Here they are.
You can settle down some good old-fashioned comfort food at a good old-fashioned price. Another New Year deal from the Co-op. Mayor of London and TfL. Every journey matters. Get more for less with Mobalpa kitchens.
This can sort of fold.
Clever on the inside with up to
fold up as well, as you can see. Pistol grip. So that's got a lithium battery in it. Lithium ion.
Mobalpa Kitchen Studio at mobalpa.co.uk. Inhaler Drive on LBC. 9 minutes to 5 here on LBC. You're listening to Inhaler Drive. We have Lord Adonis with us, Andrew Adonis, former chair of the National Infrastructure Committee. You may want to ask him why he resigned from that. He may have very strong views on the position of the Transport Secretary, Chris Grayling, who we spoke to on the programme a couple of days ago. My big concern here is that Chris isn't on the line. now
there it
in
is.
Turkey, having been in Qatar.
It's not as fast as my drill, but I can't complain. It's alright. It's good for little small things like this. Taking apart things that are quite delicate. As you can see there, it's got like a little rocker switch on it. It's even made in 2017 as well. So it's made last year. As it's 2018 now. So, I've had this for a few weeks now, and my conclusion on it, don't buy one. I wouldn't actually go out and buy this, because for what it is, it's quite expensive, you know. When I checked online, these are about £65. And the reason why I wouldn't buy it, because there's no sort of control. Because I bought a Black & Decker one of these years ago. Must have been about 2001, when I was at college doing electrical installation. I bought a Black & Decker one. And the Black & Decker one, when you get to a certain depth, it's got some kind of sensor in it, so it will stop. But this one hasn't got that. This one was carry on driving the screw in more and more. So a Black & Decker one must have some kind of sensor on the motor to sense when the screw is fully in. But this one hasn't got that, so that's the reason why I would advise you not to buy this one. If you want to buy a screwdriver, if I was to buy one, I'll get the Bosch one. The Bosch or Trigger Star one. It's a bit smaller than this. If I was to go and buy one, but I can't complain. My boss bought me this, as I was saying before, because he couldn't give us a bonus. Even though engineering are doing well, and the company depends on everybody, the train drivers, the platform staff. But the reason why the company wasn't doing too well at the moment is because of not because of engineering doing quite well. So as I said before, that's the reason why he bought everyone a screwdriver, because he couldn't give everyone a bonus. So he got everyone a screwdriver instead, as a small gift. But I can't complain, it's free.